Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Namaskar, my name is Umesh Rathod, and with us today we have another school innovation contest winners from Jaipur, Rajasthan with their startup Carronade. So first we'd like to know about the startup mentor and then followed by the students, what is their innovation about. Ma'am, can you briefly explain us about yourself?
Namaskar sir, I am Shubhi Sharma from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyaashram Pratapnagar School Jaipur. I am their mentor.
So guys, can you explain about yourself and how this idea came to you?
Yes.
Let's start with you maybe.
Namaskar sir, I am Athar Ranjan Sharma from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyaashram Pratapnagar, Jaipur, and I study in class 11th. This idea came into our mind when we talked with our relatives. We thought that what's the problem that they face. Like we talked with the farmers that what are the problems that they usually face when they're working in their farms. Then we took the survey of the people, basically 200 to 300 people, and then we analyzed what are the problem at the ground level and that we need to solve.
Okay. Would you like to add to what he said?
Yes, sir. Basically, we believe in innovation and brainstorming. So we brainstormed a lot many ideas and came to an all-in-one solution, that is Carronade. Carronade fulfills all the needs of the farmers that they need for their farm. This is basically a security guard for the farmer, so that the farmer can take a peace of mind sleep and he can relax anytime, anywhere, where he wants.
Okay. So how did this Carronade came into ideation? Because you must have interacted, and I saw that report where you have interacted with so many farmer families to understand this challenge. And it's a trivial problem across the world, So how did you came to the validation that okay, this is what we want to develop out of 10 different maybe solutions?
So sir, basically this is the most effective solution that we find. As I told that we have analyzed multiple options and this one was the best because via chemical reactions we can create a sonic boom that scares away the animals and safeguards your farm. So all of them solution were a little lesser effective than this one. So we preferred this one.
Okay. And did you face any challenge while building this product? Or
yes, sir. So the main two challenges that we faced, first one was to serving the farmer. We went home to home, door to door and surveyed farmers that what are their difficulties, what solutions they need to remove that problem. And the second one was to remove the acetylene gas and to time the circuit because this project requires a specific time that when the chemical needs to be dispensed, when the water needs to be dispensed. To the study of that required us a lot of challenges and a lot of time. Okay. But with the support of ministry and your guidance, we just made it successful.
So, when you talk about the chemical reaction and all, were you knowing about the components? Who helped you in the school and, how did that work?
So the chemistry teachers and the other teachers from the school helped us and they let us know about the new chemicals and the products that we can use to improve our Carronade. So we are using calcium carbide over here that reacts with water and after some time acetylene gas forms. When the gas comes in a contact with the electric spark, it creates a sonic boom sound which scares away the animals.
Okay. So there are so many other solutions available in the market based on maybe similar methodology. How unique is yours?
Sir, so basically there are few solutions that compete against ours. Like there are some sound-based technologies also. Like when it detects motion, it makes a sound to scare away animals. But that can be annoying. Like when the farmer is also entering the farm, then it will make a sound. Then that can annoy the farmer. We have used a motion detection camera that is trained with AI. So it detects the motion of an intruder like a bull, cow, locust, and other intruders which are very common like wild boars. Then it sends the signal to the circuit that automatically fires it. And the sonic boom is present via only a chemical reaction. So the other speakers that don't stand out near to us.
Okay. I would like to know from you, ma'am, what kind of support and hand-holding did the school and the SIC provide to these young minds while they were building this?
only idea can come in the student's mind, and teacher can only nurture. But the main thing is that the funds which they required, because they can make only prototype. But what ministry have done is too beneficial for the students. Earlier we have made it in the form of prototype, but they have given us funds which nurture this idea. It's not only that the prototype level means we have made it, we have given to the few farmers, and now it is just like that the complete project. Everything we want, whenever we have discussed with them, though they provide each type of support, means the mentorship they have given us to, even the labs they have suggested to, okay, you can give in this lab whatever the support they can do, and the funds, which is the most important thing for us. And the school is also, whenever we want to take we have to go in that area, though they allow us ki, okay, you can go. Even the parents are very much supportive, ki, okay ma'am, take the students with you and you can go for the survey. So very means ministry support and the everything from his school we have received so much of support, and because of this idea can be there in the project.
Glad to know that that you have such a support mechanism available. So let's deep dive into the prototype demonstration. Could you take us through it?
Yes, sir. So first of all, it has a smart camera monitoring that detects any kind of intrusion in our farm caused by intruders like wild boars, cows, buffaloes, locusts, etc. So sir, this is the camera placed here. It is a 360-degree live rotation streaming camera which can also detect any kind of motion in low light visibility and at the night time also. As is this camera is AI trained, so it will only detect the motion of the intruder and does not detect any kind of motion caused by the farmer or the fields.
Okay.
Then this is the hole where the circuits are present there. So when the camera will detect any kind of intrusion, the message will be sent on the phone, so the farmer can check it and can trigger the sequences by pressing a single button on the application.
Okay.
So sir, let me take you first through the application and its interface. So this is the application of Carronade. It has two types of compatibility. First, it can also be connected with Bluetooth and it can also be connected with Wi-Fi as it uses IoT based technologies. And then after connecting, we can use the start button to trigger each and every reaction into this. So when we'll press the start button, on this display, a link will be displayed. So when one will type that code, the whole reaction will start working. Then the container placed here, the servo motor present inside will rotate and the calcium carbide present in the container will automatically come into the reaction chamber.
Where is the reaction chamber?
So inside this is the complete reaction chamber and this is a servo motor present on the bottom of the container.
Okay.
So when we'll give the command, the servo motor will rotate and the calcium carbide which will be stored here will come downwards into the reaction chamber as it is a funnel-like structure.
Okay.
Then after 3 seconds, the water is stored in this compartment and the water from this through a pump will come into the reaction chamber so that the calcium carbide and water can react with each other.
So the water is hot or cold?
So it can be at a normal temperature, it does not depend if the water is hot or cold.
Okay.
So when the water will react with the calcium carbide, acetylene gas will be produced.
Where it is produced?
So it will be produced in this complete chamber.
Okay.
And here the electric lighter is present there which will ignite the gas after 20 seconds. After the complete gas buildup will be present in this reaction chamber.
So it happens automatically after 20 seconds?
It happens automatically.
Okay.
The farmer just have to press one single start button on the application and then each and everything will work according to in one single go only.
And if a farmer wants to abort?
So actually the first of all the reaction will first get complete, otherwise you have to cut off the power supply from
Yeah,
there.
no, I'm just saying that. Yeah, it's quite interesting. What's the use of the solar panel?
So as this device will be placed into the farm, so it will have a sunlight, and to make it energy efficient and to power each and every automation of the device, we have added a solar panel into it so that this will convert all the solar energy into the electrical energy and will power each and every automation of this device.
Okay.
After the gas would be ignited, a sonic boom would be created that will scare away each and every intruders present in the farm and will protect the farm from the damage caused by these intruders.
Okay. Thank you for taking us through the demonstration. Is there anything else you would like to explain?
So we can show you the working of the circuit.
So I would like to know from you, what is the next step in taking this inventive solutions ahead? What support you require from us or from your school or the support ecosystem?
So every invention has a stages of development. Like in starting, the main problem that we face, we have to identify the problem at the base level. And that stage, we conceptualize each and everything. Then we move on to the designing stage of the project, in which we design what could be the best solution to solve this problem. In the prototyping stage, we have created this project, and that is Carronade. Now our focus shifts on to launching this product into the market, and as we are targeting each and every farmer across the globe, so we want them to use this product and we want to take this to the commercial level.
Okay, that's quite welcome to know. I would like to congratulate you for this quite inventive solutions which you have developed for the farmers.
Yes,
and I think with the kind of support mechanisms you have, I think you'll definitely excel. So I wish you all the best for your endeavors.
Yes, sir.
So,
and sir, this is the QR code of our website that we have created,
okay,
and in the file we have also included the research documents of it.
that's great to know. Thank you so much, students and ma'am, for participating and making us know about your inventive solution. So these were the students from Jaipur, Rajasthan, building solutions for the lower strata of the ecosystem, that's farmer. At Ministry of Education Innovation Cell, we always say Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, Jai Anusandhan, and that's one of the major pillars for any economy to sustain. And young students with so much of zeal and enthusiasm building such kind of a solution, and school and SIC supporting them, only goes to tell that we have a brighter future. Definitely, we will kind of achieve Viksit Bharat 2047. I wish them all the best for their future endeavors and look forward to their entrepreneurial journey.